Hi, I'm Dave Jones with Storm Center Communications and GeoCollaborate. This is your 12 o'clock update on Friday, July 1st. Tropical update for the Sensitive Information Sharing Environment, the Fleet Response Working Group. And we do have a tropical storm on our hands now. Tropical Storm Bonnie formed just a couple of hours ago with winds of 40 miles per hour. And you can see it spinning away in the Western Caribbean there as the sunrise line, the terminator line, comes around the world. Happens every day, thank goodness. And we can see the storm rotating in the Caribbean. Let me take you down to some spectacular imagery a little bit closer into the Caribbean. This is the GOES satellite, but it's called a sandwich product. It brings together multiple satellite channels so we can see enhanced clouds, thunderstorm clouds that are forming, and we can also see low clouds, which are those blue ones on the periphery of the storm. We're looking mainly around the center of the storm. You can see the orange and red and the dark colors. They are thunderstorms that are forming. And this satellite loop you're seeing is an image every minute for the last 2 hours. Just spectacular imagery from the folks at NOAA and the geostationary satellite called GOES East. It's actually called GOES 16 or GOES East. And so these thunderstorms are continuing to strengthen. They are seeing heavy storms, heavy rainfall on the coast of Nicaragua on the outer periphery of the storm, and it is likely to make landfall just in about 6, 7, 8 hours or so as the storm moves westward at 20 miles per hour. Now, we are in phase 0 for the All Hazards Consortium. This is the playbook for response and coordination for the movement of fleet utility vehicles and others, and coordination amongst state emergency managers and state private sector liaisons, where there is no storm is forecast to make landfall in the United States in the next 4 to 7 days. That's defined as phase 0 for this particular playbook for the All Hazards Consortium. When a storm does get closer, we start ticking up the phases where phase 2 is actually landfall is happening, and we'll be doing updates through that period of time if we're threatened this season by a hurricane. Now, I do want to show you GeoCollaborate because I have the GOES East Enhanced infrared satellite image turned on, and you can see the spin around the storm. These white clouds are very intense thunderstorms that are forming, and they have warnings in effect for Nicaragua, tropical storm warnings now, and also lots of flash flood watches and likely warnings as this storm moves across Nicaragua. It's very mountainous, so that that mountainous terrain is going to squeeze out a lot of rain. Once the storm exits into the Pacific Basin, it will get another name to it, and it's forecast to become a hurricane south to southwest of Acapulco, Mexico. So we're going to see 2 different hurricane or tropical storm and hurricane names once this storm passes into the Pacific Ocean. So I'm going to turn off these cloud layers just so you can see where the forecast looks like it's taking it a little bit more clear here. We'll zoom in. This yellow area is the National Hurricane Center's depiction of the tropical storm force winds that extend well to the north of the system, not really to the south. So there's asymmetry to this storm, but needless to say, it is a tropical storm, and it is going to pose a lot of rain to Costa Rica and Nicaragua as this storm moves across Central America. So we'll keep you posted on all of this that's happening. I wish you a very happy 4th of July weekend. Stay safe, stay informed, and we'll keep you updated, and we'll see you next week.